Stop coding from scratch. We built a production-ready full-stack application simply from one image prompt. In the era of complex software stacks, the bottleneck has always been translation, translating human vision into machine instructions. Traditional prototyping forces you to write code, manage dependencies, and align all these steps. It's a linear process prone to costly misinterpretations. But what if the initial input wasn't code, but a conceptual image? A simple mock-up passed to a truly multimodal model? That's the premise of our experiment, using a novel architecture to bridge that gap, moving from conceptual image to executable stack. The process isn't monolithic. It requires a multi-stage prompt chain, forcing the model to act as interpreter, architect, and coder. Stage 1: Semantic decomposition. The model doesn't just see the image, it breaks it into functional components, database schema, API endpoints, and front-end views. This is where the model generates the initial functional blueprint, the digital skeleton of your application. Stage 2: Code generation. Armed with the blueprint, the model translates these components into runnable code across the chosen stack, in our case, React frontend and Python backend. And here is the initial output. The raw code dump produced by the model, before any human touch. It's not perfect. There are gaps in error handling and stylistic inconsistencies, but the core functionality is there. Our refinement process involved injecting targeted prompts, add robust input validation on post requests, and implement OAuth flow. This iterative loop, image $\right arrow $code $right arrow $test $right arrow $refine prompt $right arrow $rerun, is the key to achieving production readiness quickly. Let's look at the back-end implementation. This is how the model scaffolded the API routes using Python Flask. The model correctly identified the need for a post endpoint to handle user submissions, structuring it around this core logic. It handled the boilerplate perfectly, but the error handling was minimal. Our refinement added proper exception middleware. On the front end, React was used to map those successful API calls into a dynamic user interface. The model generated the component structure and state handling for form submissions, making it immediately actionable. The efficiency gain isn't just in generation, it's in the reduction of cognitive load. We skipped weeks of planning and jumped straight to refinement. The final product is a fully deployed prototype, functional, styled, and scalable. The image prompt was the catalyst, not the final instruction manual. This paradigm shift doesn't eliminate the developer, it elevates them. You move from being a coder to becoming an AI architect. The future isn't about AI replacing you. It's about AI handling the grunt work, letting you focus on high-level vision and quality control. If you want to dive into the full prompt chaining guides and the complete code base, check out the links below.